Hey guys, welcome back to Woods Tree Farm. I'm Phil, and today we're working on the house a little bit. I've got the tractor right there. I need to fill in a trench, which actually this morning I rented an excavator and dug in over 400 feet of trench for the water line. The well company came, hooked up the new pump, laid the water line, hooked up the expansion tank down at the house, and over the next couple days we'll get a plumber and electrician out here to finish this job up. But I need to fill this trench in, so I need to fix up the tractor, get it ready to go. Right now the tiller's on it. I need to swap out the implements both on the front and the back, and then we can fill this trench in. I know I haven't shared a lot of details about the new house, but this is it. It's just a small double wide 28 by 38. It's a 1,000 square foot or so little house, and this will give us a much nicer place to stay out here on the farm. Last couple of years we've been using the camper that's over there behind my truck, and it has served us well, but we are ready for something a little nicer, something a little bit more roomy, and something with you know, small amenities like running water so that we can take showers and, you know, normal stuff like that. So we've actually been working on this since April. We cleared this land here, we excavated this hillside, we built the retaining wall, and I was a bum. I didn't film any of that for you guys, but that's where we're at. We've got this you know, this site here which needs to get finished up, and over the next 2 weeks or so we're looking to get this house completely finished up. So I'll go talking. Let me fire up the tractor, we'll get to work. I haven't shared this with you guys before. We got some bees now. We got that ditch all filled up, but I am about out of time. I need to move these axles, I need to move those tires, and then what we have here right at the end of the retaining wall is a berm to kind of keep water diverted on this side and down the driveway and towards the pond. So I'm going to work on that. After the utility work gets all finished with the house, we'll kind of come through and just do final grade on everything, and that'll include rebuilding this berm. So for now, I'm going to leave it a little bit of a mess, but at least our water line is all covered up from here all the way up to the well, 450 feet in that direction. So that's all done. I'm glad that's done, and another day we will come back to this. The septic is getting installed on Friday, hopefully, weather permitting, and if the contractor shows up, which is always a bit of a question mark, but that's where we're at right now. So thanks for following this little update on the house. I'll keep you guys posted on future videos of our progress out here. Until next time, hope you have a good one. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.